tag color. These messages are delivered instantly as notifications. So teams can have quick hallway conversations from their screens without worrying about things like meetings, time zones, and all that. So nowadays, for us, distance is a factor only when we have ordered pizza or called for a cab, not when we want to collaborate. Geography is now history.
Delivering a great customer experience one time is a challenge. Imagine scaling that challenge across 20 million users. At Zoho, we had to handle the situation with effective action. Customer-facing teams have to be equipped to act quickly. Managers need to have information accurate to the second so they can take quick action. When there's a need, they must be able to dive into that information and make quick decisions. In this aspect, Zoho Desk has helped scale our own customer service experience. Time zone managers can now quickly see finer details like recent negative feedback and long conversations, as well as macro trends like ticket traffic and overall customer happiness. Agents can keep an eye on their own numbers and see how they are doing. This brings in a habit of self-management, so managers will have more time to think about customers. The new Zoho Desk will make customers more empowered, agents more productive, and managers more impactful.
And by the way, it was built right here in a town called Tenkasi in the heart of rural India. Who said you need to be in Silicon Valley to build world-class products? It's a great example of customer service being at the heart of everything. She does sales, marketing, operations, customer support, and even accounting all by herself. And all that is focused on me, the customer. When businesses grow, more employees come on board. They get organized into roles, teams, and divisions. And guess what? That spirit of customer centricity starts to disappear. Putting the customer first ends up being an empty slogan. That's the problem we set out to solve with the new Zoho Desk, putting customer service at the heart of a company. That's what we truly wanted to build.
Customer service must feel like getting help from your mom. It has to be natural, intuitive, and right within reach in many ways. Zoho Desk is multi-channel, so timely help is available at arm's length and in whichever way you choose to ask for it.
What is important for a great customer experience? Delivering the right solution at the right time. If your ticket screen feels like your personal email inbox, how can you respond on time? You don't deal with your customers and your spouse in the same way. So the first thing we built was a highly intuitive ticket screen. When you log in, you don't see a generic list of tickets. You see a screen rich with context. A quick scan will tell you which ticket needs your attention right now and when to take your next break. Also, to have a meaningful conversation, agents need a lot of customer context like CRM information and past interaction with the customer. Normally, these details are buried